This is the box it came in. There's 5-gallon containers in here, and all the other accoutrements needed for the system. Although it looks like I've opened it already, I have opened it to be able to pull it around, because I did not have a dolly for a part of the journey of this fairly heavy container. It's like 50-60 pounds of stuff in here. So let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Might be wrong on this number. This might be 8. In fact, I think it is 8. So, it's been a while since I purchased this. I purchased this about 3 months ago. So, there's 9 of these. These are what go on top of the pot. You put a medium in here, like pumice or coir, or mostly something synthetic that's not going to rot out on you. So, there you go. 5 of these. Okay, next we've got, looks like pipage, and we're looking at these pipes right here. I do believe they go on the side of the pots, and they allow these aeration tubes to go in through them and then down, so that you don't have to put the aeration tubes over the lip. You put them through this. This goes into the side of the container like so, and the aeration tube goes through that and down. So apparently there's some threading that has to go on. That should be interesting to see how that works. We're going to be setting these up a little later on, but I'm interested to see how this works. Let's see what else is next. Oh, okay. Looks like we got something big in here. Oh, there you go. That is the air pump. Now, this is a lot bigger than you'd see for an aquarium. There's the power cord. Let's take this apart. Take it out of the bag. There's a little piece of paper in there that probably tells you how to set it up, so I am going to make sure that I don't lose that. Beautiful. No, that's just a gorgeous piece of equipment there. And it has 1, 2, 8 outlets for the air, for the compressed air to go through. So that's pretty cool. Okay, we're opening up this set of hydroponic containers and the kit and all the equipment you need along with it for this particular type of hydroponic kit, which is, again, this uses compressed air. It's like we have just unboxed something that looks like a huge aquarium pump. It has 8 outlets, 1 for each of these pots. I said earlier it was 5. I totally forgot. I ordered the 8-pot version. I don't know why, but I'm going to be growing lots of stuff, I guess. And of course, we have even more pipes. These are for each individual. So there's 4 in each of these. So that's about the right amount, 8 in total. Okay, we're here unboxing this. We're here unboxing this hydroponics kit, which includes pots. It includes the actual container that holds the inert media, or the non-rotting, non-organic media, usually, that you're going to use for the hydroponics. That's going to actually keep the plant in place and allow the plant's roots to grow down from those rocks into this water that is oxygenated by what's basically a large aquarium pump. So here are the pots themselves. Oh. All right, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pots. And here's a cool thing. It looks like one of the pots, these pots is pre-fitted with the tubes so that you know how to do that, you know how to do the fitting. So I'm gonna take all these back down up to the table, put them aside, and show you that one that is pre-fitted. There we go. Okay, at the bottom of those 8 pots, this is the 8th pot. One of the pots is already pre-fitted with this clear plastic. It's like a sleeve almost. And what it does, the reason you even have this here is you want the air is going in at the bottom. You don't want the air over the top because you want to seal over this thing. Let me show you, hold on. Okay, the reason you don't want that air hose going over the top of the lid is because you've got this on there, and that, nice and tight seal on that. You want to keep pathogens from getting in to your bucket if you're going to be using this system. Because pathogens can get in there and just wipe it out, so you have to be really careful and make sure that no spores are getting in from the outside. So that means you have to be careful about your media too. I don't know whether they recommend to pasteurize it, or probably wouldn't be a bad idea to boil it. We're going to be showing you that a little later on, next session. We're going to show you how to set this up. Right now I don't have a place for it. It's a rather large bit of equipment, large kit. I'm hoping to find a place here at the Arboretum in one of the greenhouses, but I've yet to find one. Wish me luck on this. Anyway, again, here's the top. The media goes in here. You go on top of the pot like that, seal it nice, and then you affix these to the side, put the tubes, the much smaller 1/4-inch tubes, down in through here, affix the little, they have, I think it's a air stone, affix the air stone to the tube, and voila, you've got it. So, that is this. We unboxed this successfully. Huge thing, weighs a lot. Remember, if you get the 8 pots, it is rather heavy, 60, 70 pounds. Anyway, on to the next.